Hi, are you wanting custom tissue paper but you're on a tight budget? So today I'm going to take this tissue paper and we're going to make it into a custom designed tissue paper using only our gel plate and affordable materials that you can get like at a craft store. So this is acrylic craft paint. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because in a future video I'm going to show you the project that we're going to use this tissue paper ultimately in. The first step here is I'm going to apply a thin coat of the paint that I want to decorate the tissue paper with. So I get my brayer out and I'm just going to coat it over the entire plate. So the project that I'd like to use this for is going to be a Mother's Day themed project. But I just don't want to have this plain paper in the background. So we're gonna snazz it up a little bit here. So I've got a stencil that I want that has the design, and I lay it gently on the gel plate. Next, let's take our tissue paper and we're going to put it carefully over the stencil on the gel plate. Now the big secret here, or the main step here, is that you got to press firmly through the stencil without tearing the tissue paper. So it's firm, but it's gentle at the same time. One thing that I really like about working here with this kind of tissue paper is that you can actually see the paint being transferred since it has that transparent capability. Now carefully pull this back. We have this phenomenal looking design. Looks really, really cool. It's going to work out for the project. Again, be sure to subscribe so that way you can see the final project as well. Now here's the ghost print. And if you want to, you can actually also pull the ghost print. I've used this stuff for my sketch journal sometimes, or just for doodling as well. And you do the ghost print pull the exact same way, except without the stencil. This also helps clean off a lot of the paint from the gel plate. This is you can see I did an earlier pull with using polka dots. There's the polka dots from before. To clean my gel plate, because I've had people ask before, and I'm just using a baby wipe, which we have quite a few baby wipes around frequently since we still have one of our sons is in diapers. I skipped forward because I wanted to do another gel plate pull here with a different design as well, and I just wanted you to see another example. And so I'm kind of speeded up a little bit here on the recording because it's the same steps. It's just using this design that I've actually used on other projects because I really like that. I don't know what you call that design. Again, always clean it. And I've even reused the baby wipes before by dipping it into my water. Just a little hack there. And finally, I always store the plate with the acetate sheet. Have a great day.